Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we will show if you have a Dodge Dart or Chrysler 200 guys and you want to reset your airbag light, how you can do that without a tool guys. Okay, we have a tool here guys, but we'll show you what we will be using that tool and we'll demonstrate how you can do it without a tool guys. Okay, everybody can do that pretty much, so stay with us and we'll cover everything from start to finish. Quick introduction guys, as you know, every single car we get at the shop, including this one here guys, we make at least 200 videos. We take them completely apart. Why? Simply guys, because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video, that's all we need in return. Now, if you guys need to buy any replacement parts, tools, scanner if you want, the one that we use, check out the link in the description of the video below. We'll share it guys for your convenience. So this is a 2005 Dodge Dart now. If you guys work on airbag system, okay, if you're not qualified and certified, don't do it because those things can kill you. They can kill people around you, they can kill passengers, they can explode, so be extremely careful guys. That's why if you're not qualified and certified, I wouldn't recommend it and consider this entertaining, not a how-to video. But every time you work on airbags, you have to have the car battery disconnected at least 1 hour before you do that, before disconnecting airbag sensors, airbag components, anything like that, because otherwise the chance for something terrible to happen, it's really high. By disconnecting the car battery, the system will discharge and the chance it's less likely, but it's still possible guys. But now, ignore that. What I'll be doing guys, on the front of the vehicle we have two sensors now for the airbags. Those are crash sensors. So I'm going to simulate that we have a problem in the airbag system so I can turn the airbag light on. What I'll do guys, okay, I will disconnect the airbag sensor. Okay, I will show you in a second. Okay, check it out now. Airbag sensor guys has been disconnected. Okay, all the way. You can check it out right there, disconnected guys. So what we are going to do now, I'll show you guys how you can practically turn your airbag light off without any tools, but I want to show you with the scanner. We're going to verify that this is the problem now. If you guys know where the problem is in your airbag system, and I'll explain that as well guys, how you can find out where the problem was. You can guys figure it out and reset it without any scanners, any computers, anything like that. So I'll go ahead, plug it in guys. Okay, I want to start the car and show you how the airbag light will be on. So let me show you now. I'll even turn the light off so you can see a little bit better. Again, never ever mess with it when you have the car battery connected. You always have to disconnect it at least 1 hour before that. So let me grab the key because I dropped it under the seat. So I found the key, I'll turn the ignition on. Check it out now guys, airbag light will stay on. Okay, airbag light will stay on. It will turn off and then will come back on. Why? Because there is a problem in the system guys. And it will just stay on like that, okay, for a really long time. It will not turn itself off at all because there is a problem. Now, if I turn the car off and turn the ignition only, I want to show you something guys. We'll use that scanner, and if you're on the market for a good car scanner guys, that's not very expensive, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. This tool guys is simply amazing. Why? Because you can read and delete codes from the engine computer, ABS traction control and airbag computer. You can register batteries, you can do so many different functions. You can do steering angle sensor reset, which is very important as well guys. I will click ABS and airbag guys. Select this one, then we select USA because this is American vehicle. We select Chrysler. Perfect. Now it's loading all the data guys. We'll click automatic selection. What automatic selection does, it actually guys, okay, let me see which is better, without the light or with the light. Automatic selection is going to actually guys decode the VIN number. Okay, we need to confirm this is the correct VIN number and tell us which vehicle we have. Dodge Dart. We select guys body. Here airbag system. Under airbag now guys, okay, what we're going to do, okay, we're going to select read codes, which should be initialized in just a few seconds. Okay, we're going to click guys here now, read codes. And the code that we have guys, U017000, lost communication guys with front left satellite sensor. That's the one that I disconnected. Now, let me tell you something guys. Practically, you don't need a scanner now to turn the airbag light off, and I'll demonstrate how. Again, every time you mess with the airbag system, disconnect the car battery for at least 1 hour. Let's say, guys, you worked on front left door, guys, and you had to replace window regulator, something very common that you have to do on cars, and you have an airbag sensor there. You guys forgot to connect it, okay, and you know that the airbag light came on after a certain repair. Go ahead, trace your steps and find which sensor you didn't plug in or which sensor you guys damaged. If you haven't done any repairs and the airbag light pops up, it's very likely that you have a bad passenger occupant sensor. This sensor detects how heavy the passenger is, so it can activate or deactivate the airbag in the passenger seat. So in the dash, guys, for the passenger on the front left, on the front right, excuse me. So this is a very common problem as well, guys. But always, guys, trace your steps, check for recent repairs, and if you know, guys, okay, for instance, let's say I replaced the radiator support on this vehicle, and as a result I forgot to plug in, guys, okay, that sensor. What I'm going to do now, okay, I'm going to go down there. I will reconnect it, give me a second now. I reconnected it, guys. Okay, the sensor is reconnected all the way. Okay, you can check it out. It's in pretty good. Okay, let me check again. Yep, everything's great. So what we'll do now, okay, I want to show you, but make sure you stay until the end because I'll share something else. Now, if you guys fixed your problem and you start your car, you should not have the airbag light on. Check it out, it will turn itself off. And it just stays off, guys. Why? Simply because, guys, it's a self-healing system. What that means? It means, guys, that the airbag system detects if there is a problem or not, and if there is no problem, guys, actually we'll go ahead and turn the light off. Now, however, if you turn the ignition back on, okay, check out how we had the codes before and it said active here. Now if we go back, guys, and we rescan the system, okay, and click read one more time, it's going to say stored. The codes are not active, but they're still in the system. The only way to clear the codes and not be present in the module is with the help of a scanner. Otherwise they will stay there and sooner or later you can find them out. And if I delete them and I go ahead, clear down and rescan the system, I shouldn't have anything else left. Check it out now. No system, no codes, system pass, guys. So you practically don't need a tool to reset the airbags, the airbag light on Dodge Dart or Chrysler 200. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel and see you guys next time.